Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook can't send message. To know how to fix Facebook can't send message, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here. Sorry, we will go to this application here, Facebook. After that, in this page, you will go to click for stop. When you will enter here, you will click storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache here, and then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Thank you for watching.